Today we are going to draw Pikachu. First, draw his nose and draw his eyes. Then draw his mouth. Outline his face. And draw his ears. Draw cute round cheeks and his face is done. Next, draw his body. And arms. Draw his cute little feet. And at last, draw his zigzag tail. Color his eyes and the tip of his ears in black. His cheeks with red. Color his body and tail with yellow. Put some shadows on his body with orange. There! Pikachu is done!
Pikachu?
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.